So a couple days ago, my wife told me that our single faucet Kohler wasn't drawing hot water. It was all cold water. So we figured we would replace the cylinder on the inside, the cartridge on the inside. So it's pretty easy taking this apart. It's unscrewed. I've already done this. I just put it back together for instructional purposes. So you unscrew it, it comes off. There are no bolts there. You may have some putty to remove here. I had to take that off, so I took this off. There are two screws here which have already been removed, but I just wanted to put it on there to show you that there may be a plate here. So I pulled the plate off. So let me describe the problem that I had when I did this. This is a new home. When I purchased the home, all of these items were already installed. When I went to take this bolt off, the installer had installed it with a high pressure tool. So he had drilled it in there and I couldn't remove it. I tried to screw, I tried to rubber band, I tried to drill out, I tried everything you're supposed to use to try to get these out. The problem is this isn't fixed. So every time you add pressure, it's rebounding, so I couldn't get it off. The purpose of this video is to show you how I fixed it. I also called a plumber and they wanted to take out the wall behind the shower to get to it. So I said, let's not do that. So let me show you the easy way that I fixed it. So I went to Home Depot and I bought some vice grips, and there's these Milwaukee torque lock vice grips, high power, high strength vice grips. So what I did was I got the vice grips, I put this on here, clamp down on it really hard, and use this to turn the bolt, and it works. So use it, and of course you have to take it off a couple times and turn it. And remember, before you do this, turn off the water in your house. So after a couple, you're able to turn it and pull it off. But that's how I solved my problem.